Make a great choice today with the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: xenon headlights, all-wheel drive, traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, air conditioning, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, compass. Come see the car for yourself.